Hello and welcome, it's Julie Cube here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour on this square 40 by 40 canvas, and I've got one of these 4-chamber split cups, and this one is by Montmartre, which I got just from a local art store here in Karoi. So that's what I'm going to have a play with today. I am using up some leftover colours. So what I will do for starters is just, shall I do a light background or a dark background? I may do a dark background for a bit of a change. So I'm just gonna put some of this. It's like a blue black. It's black, but I added some phthalo blue to it to sort of send it to the blue black look. So that's what I'm putting on here. Let's hope I get something nice. Heading into the weekend here. Probably when you see this, it will be the weekend. This is sort of, yeah, very dark navy, so I'm not going to worry about the edges at this point because the whole work might get tilted and cover the edges. Rightio. I'm not going to do too much, pour any more colour into this. It's going to have the colour from the split cup. I'll just maybe put my canvas forward for a second and start loading my little split cup up. So I'm going to put the darkest colour actually that I have left in the bottom. So this was, I think it was phthalo blue with a little bit of white in it, so it didn't send it as dark. These are all leftover colours, maybe made up 2 weeks ago, but and I've been doing different pours in these kind of shades. So I'll just put that in those 2 there, and then I'll go for this. This one is the turquoise. I'll put that in the other 2. So I'm just gonna load this cup up, see what we actually get with this. Rightio. And I've got here, it's called Dark Sea, so I'm going to put some of that in there, on top of that light, the turquoise one. My dog's in here playing, eating. And go back to the light turquoise again, and I'm going to put that there. Phil want to put some completely other colour in here to throw it all out, which I've got a lovely ultraviolet metallic here, so I'm going to put the ultraviolet metallic in there, mix it up. Look at this lovely ultraviolet metallic, beautiful. These are all global colours. So what have you guys got planned for your weekend? Hopefully something exciting. Ooh. And I've got a bit left of this baby duck egg blue that I've had doing several pours with this last couple of weeks, so I will hopefully use it up. I think that's about it. Otherwise I'm just going to put too much paint in there. So I'll pull this canvas back, clean my knife off, I just love these little offset spatulas. They're so handy, and because it's a small one, it's very user friendly. Rightio, there's my lovely canvas. So let's see what we get with this split cup pour. I am literally just going to pour it straight into the center. And then I will tilt about the place. Oh, that purple's really taking over, isn't it? Oh my goodness, that ultraviolet. The greens have disappeared. Are they coming now? Oh my goodness. Oh, here they come. Let's just let it run. I think all that black blue outer space is going to get eaten up anyway with these colours. Let's give it a bit of a wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh dear. Okay. Ooh. I think that'll do it. When you're using these cups, always be mindful that as soon as you finish using them, to put in a bucket and fill with just cold water so you get all the paint out straight away before it starts drying in there. That looks like a lovely kind of planet. I haven't done one of these pours for a little while, but always nice to go back again to them. Maybe I do get to have a little bit of negative space in this one, maybe. maybe. Very kind of, just reminds me that of the oceany, and then the purple. Look at the lines, and that's quite beautiful. Whoops, I'm trying to tilt it now. You could definitely leave a bit of that negative space if you so choose to do. I'll just see how I go here. At least it's covering all of my edges with a nice, really nice coverage. So just tilt it around so you've got a evenly placed paint on your canvas, so you don't have all the paint sitting in one spot. I think it would be a little bit weird now to leave that one bit of black down there on the, but anyway, now I've got to tilt it back a little bit because I need to get the paint recentered. I think that's about it. Wow. That is so gorgeous. I'm just thinking that I could leave that to dry and actually leave it as a background for something else that I've got in my mind. But that is very beautiful. Those colours together are pop your socks, gorgeous, really are. So they were just leftover colours. I'm going to give it a bit of heat, but I really don't want to bring up any cells in that. I want to leave it, it's got such a lovely effect. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. I know that there's colour under there and I could absolutely try to bring it up, but I really just love that on its own. I may very well, like I said, after it's dry, put something in it. I could do one of these things that I've seen other YouTubers doing after it's dry, doing a glue like flour and then filling it in, or cutting up some of your old canvases that didn't work out, putting it in. But that is very beautiful at the moment and I'm very happy with that. So I'll bring you down and have a look at it. So it looks a little, you can see what's going on here. Very beautiful. So look at these gorgeous effects in there. Really is like sliced stone, like some precious stone. The colours go really beautiful together. Now I wish I'd got enough of the colour to actually do something else with, but I haven't. And I'm not going to mix any more of these colours this week because I'm going to change my colour palette now for the pours I have planned. But it certainly looks like some deep water. Definitely. Oh, it's turned around. So there you go. I'm really happy with that, and seeing hardly any cells have popped up, which is a really nice thing to sometimes have something that has got no cells. So there you go, my lovely, something different again for today. Hope that you're all keeping well. Remember, if you're sad, lonely or depressed, please, please, please ring a friend or a family member. And if not, there is always a helpline. Please seek help. Nobody has to suffer in silence. Okay, until tomorrow, bye for now.